Hi, I'm Bonnie from New South Wales, Australia, and the proud supplier of Faro Sugaring Salon Systems and Radiessence Makeup and Tanning. I supply these products for New South Wales, Queensland and Victoria. So my experience is really that it doesn't feel like I'm wearing makeup, and it actually doesn't really look like I've had a fake tan. I feel that it's really natural and very easy to use without looking overly done. The other major drawing card as well was that it's got a built-in SPF, and that is something that is probably one of the biggest anti-aging ingredients in any product. So you don't even have to think about applying another layer onto your skin. You simply have to pop on your Radiessence, silk finish foundations, light touch, and you're already protected from the sun. I would say the customers who would be interested in our Radiessence range would be those who are looking to enhance their natural features without looking too made up. You don't need 10 products to create a beautiful finish.